Hey friends, hello, how are you? So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I will show you how to install a third-party app which is not a Google certified app in your Android mobile phone. So several times you might have faced this issue that you might not able to search that particular app on Google Play Store, and you have downloaded it from some other website from internet. However, you are unable to install that app. So that app is good, but it is not certified by Google Play, and that's why it is not available on Google Play Store. And also the app is not verified by Google Play Protect, which means Google is trying to tell you that this app installation may harm your mobile phone. However, you know it very well that this app is a high rated app and it will not harm your mobile phone. And you want that app to be installed in your phone, for which I will show you what need to be changed in your mobile phone settings so that you can able to install app from any source. So let's get started now. So I'm opening Google Chrome browser. So here I have opened one website where I'm getting lot and lot of apps. So these apps are not available on Google Play Store. So let's say I will select this TUBI TV. So I will just select it and download it in my mobile phone. Then I will further install it in my mobile phone. So I'm not using Google Play Store. I am directly downloading this app from the website. So clicked on Tubi TV and here it is. And now you need to click on download APK, which you can see on the bottom of the mobile phone screen. So you can see on the bottom of the mobile phone screen, it is giving one warning message that this app may harm your mobile phone since it is getting downloaded from third-party website or XYZ website. That's why it is giving an alert to you. You need to click on OK, you need to touch on OK, and it will start the downloading process. Once download will be completed, you will get a pop-up in the bottom of the screen to open that. So just touch on open, and further you will get this message on your screen: install blocked, since it is from an unknown source. Now you need to touch on settings option. So here is the settings, and you could see here unknown source is off. Just you need to touch that toggle button. However, before it gets enabled, it will again give you a pop-up message that this app might contain vulnerabilities as it has been downloaded from an unknown source or the website. So if you are having confidence about this app, you can go ahead and click on OK. So unknown source is now enabled. Further, you can go to any file manager. Here I'm using ES File Explorer to go into downloads and check the file. So this is the file, I have clicked on it. So you could use another file manager to explore the downloaded items. Here I have used ES File Explorer as I told you before. And now I will touch on install. So here it is asking to select the installer. So there is only one installer, that is package installers, which I have selected. After which you will get this screen. Just you need to touch install button and it will start the process. So now it is asking to provide permission to ES File Explorer so that any app could be installed using this application. So I will just click on allow button to proceed with the installation process. Okay, it's done. So it is getting installed. We need to wait until this app is installing on the mobile phone. So it is taking some time. I'm not fast forwarding this video since this installation will not take much time. Since this app is of like 22.3 MB, that's a pretty small size. So let's wait for it. So this video is just to show you how to install an app from an unknown source. You can just have any app from any website, but better be sure whether those websites are trusted and those apps which you're downloading is the trusted one, as it might harm your mobile phone. So the installation is done. Let's open this app. I will touch open. Okay, it is opening now. To be, it's buffering. And here it is asking to go with an account, or you can go anonymously. So here are the options. I am selecting these things. Let's see what happens. So I have installed this app for the first time. I don't know what is it. Something might be there, some TV or some free web series, or might be movies. Let's see what is inside it. Okay. So it contains many movies and these are free. So that's why this app is not verified from Google Play Store, as this is giving free movie. So that's why it might be not fulfilling the Google policy. So I don't know whether this app is showing the latest movie, but it is having hell lot of movie inside it. So you better be careful while using this type of apps on your mobile phone, especially once you are getting the options like allow access, proceed, allow access to galleries, because this is movie streaming website. It doesn't need your gallery permission. So before proceeding or before providing any permission, you should read it carefully why it requires the gallery permission or Wi-Fi permission or dialer's permission or SMS permission. So better be careful before proceeding or allowing it for anything, like clicking on OK, allow, proceed, like this type of things. So it looks like it is good app. It is having hell lot of movie and you can watch it free of cost. Yeah, but this is the backdoor entry. This is the backdoor app to watch movies. So there are unlimited number of apps of the same kind which is available on internet, which you can use in the same way. And now if you want to revert back the unknown source option, you need to go to the settings, then additional settings. Here it is, the additional settings. Okay. And now go to the privacy, and here you will get the unknown source option. Just touch on the toggle button, it will be turned off. And once again, the unknown source will not be allowed to be installed in your mobile phone until you turn the unknown source option on. So this video is just an informational video. So I request not to misuse this information. And that's it in this video. So if you feel this video helped you, or this video provided you a knowledge, please do like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. And do press the bell icon to get quick notification so that you will be quickly acknowledged if I am posting any video on my channel. Till then, keep rocking. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.